Beautiful stainless steel chrome finish diaper by Beautifulhouse is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. Specifics: bidet material, stainless steel 304. Bidet finish, brushed nickel. T-adapter material, brass. T-adapter finish, chrome. T-adapter size, 7/8 inches female, 7/8 male, G12 male. Hose material, stainless steel. Hose length, 1.5 meters, 60 inches. Holder material, ABS plus sus. Total weight, 600 g. Package include 1x bidet sprayer, 1x T-adapter, 1x holder, 1x hose, 1x Teflon tape. Improve personal hygiene for men, women, young, and old. Urinary tract infection cleaning and prevention, pregnancy and postpartum cleaning, hemorrhoid relief, reduces bacteria, many more health benefits. Rinse cloth diapers, potty bowls and toilet seats. Save money and the environment. Simple installation for most American-style toilets.